How to fix flash on Snapchat. Hey everybody, in order to do so you may follow this step. So open up Snapchat, and from here in this interface you should be finding a flash option at the top of your screen. Top right, go ahead and turn it on and turn it off again. Do it about 2-3 times and see if that works or not. Another thing is, flash only works with rear camera on most devices, so tap on the flip camera at the top of your screen to switch to the rear camera and check if the flash works. Apart from that, you can also try closing the application once, and then after closing the application, try opening it up again and see if that glitch fixes or not. After that, you make it over to the settings of your device, open up your settings, and from settings scroll down, go over to apps and look for an option called Snapchat in the search bar. Tap on Snapchat and go to storage, clear cache, and see if that fixes the issue or not. If none of those work, you may try uninstalling the application. So long press on the app and uninstall, tap on uninstall button. After that, go ahead and reinstall it and see if that works. If it still does not work, then maybe your physical flash on your device has been damaged. So make sure if that's the issue. So for now, you may follow up the step. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.